getting steeper, monkey.
Steep, but still under control.
Okay, maybe this is a tiny bit tricky.
Breakfast time, Feather Squad.
My happy farm! Big farm day. I can feel it.
Good morning. Ready for an important mission.
Mission! I love missions.
Today is egg delivery day. We need perfect eggs for breakfast and for the market.
Perfect eggs? Easy. I'm the small hero farmer. Very important. Got it.
Don't worry, Bunny. I'll bring the most perfect, careful eggs ever.
Yes, careful is the magic word.
Breakfast time, Feather Squad. Little explorer. Stay with your mom, okay?
There they are, the stars of today. Perfect, shiny, little treasures.
Sorry.
Easy. Soft and gentle. I'll take good care of them, promise.
That's it. Just like that.
1, 2, 3. Egg heroes ready to go. Perfect eggs. Mission almost complete.
Let's get them to the cart. Slowly.
Slowly and awesomely.
Cart, meet your precious passengers. That looks a little too high.
High and heroic.
Maybe 2 trips would be safer.
2 trips? One big, super careful trip. Smooth and steady, smooth and steady. See? Totally under control. See? Nice and easy. We're doing great.
Remember, slow and steady, okay?
Slow, steady, and heroic. The eggs are safe with me, Super Farmer Driver.
They're really moving. There's a bend and a little hill.
No problem. Watch my super driving.
Uh-oh, road inspection.
He thinks you're going too fast for that many eggs.
Okay. Extra careful mode, ON.
See? Even the sign agrees with me. All right, super slow mode.
Good. Super slow is super smart. Careful, the ground is uneven here.
Got it! Straight like a ruler.
It's getting steeper, Monkey.
Steep, but still under control.
Okay, maybe this is a tiny bit tricky.
Monkey! I think one cracked. We should stop and fix it before it gets worse.
Just a little more. We're almost there.
Big hole! Big hole!
Hold on.
Got one, and another, and... Whoa! Careful! Soft hands, soft hands.
Oh no! I messed it up. The eggs, they're ruined.
Hey, look again. Not everything is broken. See? Some are perfect, some are cracked, but still good inside. Still good? Cracked eggs are perfect for cooking. Omelet, pancakes, cake, a big farm breakfast.
A big egg party breakfast. These ones for the market, and these ones for our super breakfast.
Exactly. Now they're really safe.
No more super tall stack. Just super careful stack.
Now they're really safe.
No more super tall stack. Just super careful stack.
New plan. Perfect eggs for the market and a giant egg breakfast for everyone.
Now that's a heroic plan. Nice and slow this time. Almost home.
And the kitchen is ready for our egg party. Let's unload them here.
Careful landing for our egg heroes.
I'm sorry. Some eggs got cracked on the road. I was too confident.
But he worked really hard to save them.
Thank you. The perfect eggs still go to the market, and the cracked ones will become a big breakfast for everyone.
A careful breakfast. No more crazy stacks. Eggs for the market. Safe and sound.
And looking beautiful. And these go straight to the kitchen.
Chef Monkey reporting for duty.
Welcome to our breakfast lab.
Best lab ever.
Slow and steady, even when whisking.
Slow and steady is actually pretty fun.
Listen to that breakfast music.
The sound of not wasting anything.
Watch this super flip.
Easy, hero. Gentle flip, gentle breakfast.
See? Small move, big control. Wow, breakfast ninja. Broken eggs, super breakfast.
And a super good lesson.
Breakfast station ready.
Invite everyone in.
I still wish I hadn't scared the eggs so much.
You made a mistake, and then you fixed it. That's real hero work.
Okay. I think she forgives me. Today I learned being careful is more important than showing off. And Even broken things can still make something wonderful.
Best accident ever. Delicious teamwork.
Here you go, mini hero. Perfect size for tiny tummies.
Next time, I'll carry less at once, but more wisdom.
That's the best thing to bring home.
I love this farm and all our egg adventures.
And there will be plenty more with safer driving.